In this video, I want to show you a neat feature of Palisade Decision Tools. It's called Risk Compound. Here's how it works. Here we have a simple model where we identify the number of accidents your company has in a year. It's specified as a Poisson distribution with a mean of 13. Here we have the cost per accident, and it is specified as a normal distribution with a mean of 27,000, a standard deviation of 8,000, and a truncated minimum cost of $1,000. Here we take the number of accidents, 10, times the cost per accident, and that number is replicated here. This value is the number of accidents times the average cost per accident, and that's $27,000. This number here, however, is something different, and if we go up here to our formula, you'll see it uses the risk compound. So what it's saying is the first argument is C2, and C2 is the number 10. So the risk compound is saying take 10 iterations of the distribution found in C3 and add them. And that's what you get here. So I put these here so that you can see this number is actually quite different from these other numbers. And it gives you an interesting way, in a very compact way, to sample a number of different values. So this is saying take 11 values from this distribution that we saw earlier and add them, and that summed 296,000. Here it sums 375,000, 13 different observations, and so it would go. If we take the product of the two means, 13 accidents times $27,000, that equals $351,000. So if you build models this way, where you are estimating a number of incidents, there is a temptation to multiply the number of incidents times the mean cost per incident, but that doesn't give you the variation that you would see in reality. So let's see how this all plays through together. I've created an output here. I start a simulation. Let me clear the overlays here and show you the distribution. So this is the distribution of cost. You can expect your company to pay between $68,000 and $827,000 in accident fees in a year. The mean cost is $351,000. So if you could find insurance for your fleet of vehicles for $351,000 or less, that would be a good deal for you. Remember the risk compound. It can be a really handy tool.